Is Trump going to be president of 2024? Well, if he is, what stocks should you invest in? How good is the stock market going to be? And what can you look forward to? This is Rice Finance here, and man, have I got a video for you. Let's go over some of the stocks that you could potentially go up when and if Donald Trump becomes our president in 2024. Let's start with the whole stock market as a whole. As you can see, back in 2016 when he was elected, you got that initial dive down, but it was green, green, green from there on all the way up. So here's 2018, and if you scroll all the way down, all the way up to 2020, right when you see nothing but a green line upward with a little bit down. Donald Trump as a whole is expected to make the whole market green. That's because when Donald Trump gets in, a lot of expectations are he gets out of wars. He's great for economy, he's great for business. Overall, he's great for small business and he's great for low business. Now, Donald Trump getting in may be the answer to save the economy because, as you can see, we've been kind of stagnant ever since Biden took over. Now, granted, a lot of that isn't his fault. Mostly has to do with the fact of inflation. However, all I know is when Biden got in, you could kind of see an upwards and then a stagnation. When Donald Trump came in, you kind of saw a start of 2016, green, 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 up until the COVID crash here. So overall, in the general stock market, I would be very bullish if Donald Trump was to go in. Let's go into some particular stocks that could actually potentially see some good potential gains if Donald Trump was to get in. Let's start with Rumble. Rumble, as you guys know, the video platform in which you're viewing this video on. Shout out to Rumble. Hit that Rumble button down below. Big fan of this platform. Rumble is actually associated a lot with Donald Trump because it's associated a lot with free speech. Donald Trump, as you know, the Republican primary candidate right now, is holding a lot of those free speech kind of values. And so when Donald Trump was to get in, or if he is to get in, you could potentially see some dramatic runs in the Rumble stock. A lot of times that, these kinds of stocks kind of correspond with presidents getting in and presidents not getting in. So I would expect to see a big possible movement in the Rumble stock, especially if Donald Trump is looking like he might be winning the candidacy. Another single stock that is closely associated with Donald Trump is the DWAC Digital World stock. This stock is actually directly associated with Donald Trump. And I would expect if he was to get in, this stock probably would shoot up a lot like it probably did in the beginning up to 175. That would be my price target. As you can see, a lot of these stocks kind of died out, especially Rumble and the DWAC, mainly because of the way the economy is and how they treat growth stocks. However, I would definitely expect to see some big movement on ticker symbol DWAC, ticker symbol RUM. And these are just some potential stocks that could be booming if Donald Trump gets into presidency. Definitely be on the lookout for these guys. And the general stock market as a whole, very bullish. That's going to be it for me, a short video today. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. Take care. Bye-bye.